Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am GD sir from SP Public School. Today we are going to discuss about the topic number. Okay, and in the previous video we will know about that the noun and gender, and it is the next part that is the use for the number. Okay, so number is not different from the noun. Okay, it is the part of the noun. We can read the noun as a read the noun, and when how many quantity of the noun, like a one noun, two noun, three noun, such type of the noun we have to use in this topic. Okay, so in English a noun can be either singular or plural. It means we can divide the noun into the two parts. Okay, singular and plural. Okay, we can divide the noun according to the number, only two parts, singular number and plural number. So first we know about the meaning or definition of the singular number. So you can see here is the definition of singular number. When we speak about on person, one person, one animal, one thing, we use the noun in singular form. Okay, it means wherever we speak or write about only one person, one thing, one animal's name, that will be the singular number. In a simple way we can define it: a noun word that refer to one person, one place, one person, one animal's, one thing's name, that will be the singular number. Okay, so just like that, boy, cat, box, mango, etc. are the word will be used in a singular number. Okay, it is the singular number. Why? Because this word refer to only one person, one animal and one thing. Okay, it is refer to one person, one animal, one thing. Okay, so these words will be the singular form. Okay, singular form noun. Clear? And now we talk about the plural number. The plural number, when we speak about two or more people, animals or things, we use the noun in the plural form. Okay, it means when we talking about or write about more than one. Okay, more than one, it means two or more person, animals or thing we talking about, or the we write about more than or two than more person, place, animals or things, that will be the plural form. Okay, that word of the noun will be plural form. For example, you can see here boy is a singular number, then boys word will be the plural. Okay, cat word is the singular number, cats will be plural. Box is a singular number, then boxes will be plural. Okay, so this is the singular number noun and this is the plural number noun, and all these words classified into the two parts according to their quantity or number. Clear? First, we know how can we change the singular form into the plural form. You can see here is the use as, but in the last you can see here is the es. So this is the different method to change the singular form to the plural form. Okay, first we talking about that some of the noun word that adding by adding s to the singular form. Okay, simply like a boy word, many of the word like a gardener, stone, gardener and stone. Garden, stone. We can simply add s and then it will be the plural form. Okay, garden will be gardens and stone will be stone. Okay, it is the simple method. We can change the noun word, singular noun word into the plural noun word by adding s to the singular form. Clear? And when some of the noun word that has a different. So in a single method, when you get in the end of the noun word like it o x sh ch double s or s. Remember this. This is the o x ch sh double s and s. If we find out in the end of the noun word these type of the letters, we can find out in the end of the noun word, then we can add es. Okay, for example mango, you find out here o box, find out x bush. Okay, watch, class, buzz. So you have to see here the o x sh ch double s s. Okay, if the noun word has these of the alphabet in the end of the noun words, then we can add es. We can add es if the noun word had end of the word will be o x c s h c h double s s. Okay, then the sentence will be mango will be mangoes, box will be boxes, bush will be bushes, watch will be watches, class will be classes, bus will be buses. Okay, we simply add es in the end of the noun word when the word has such type of the alphabet in end of the noun. Okay, so I hope you all understand about this. Now next we talking about if the noun word has y. If the noun word has y in the end of the sentence, for example city, country, lady. Okay, you can see here is the y in the end of the sentence. Here is the y used in the end of the sentence, not sentence with the word noun word. Then we can add ies. Okay, in noun ending we can remove the y, changing the y and change the y into the I and also add es. Okay, it means it will be city will be cities. Okay, country will be countries, lady will be ladies. Okay, so this is the condition of to change singular number to plural number. How can we change it? Because when you first you see the end of the word, if you have find y and before the y you have to see the consonants written, just like that. We have before the y you have to see t is a consonant, and before the y you have to see r is the consonant, and before y you have to see D consonant, and if you find Y in the end of the word and before the Y you have to see consonant letter, then Y change into the I and add ES, and then the word will be plural form. Okay, so city will be cities, country will be countries, and lady will be ladies. Okay, it's clear. And if the noun a word that has, you can get the Y in the end of the noun word, but there are no consonants, then what will be happen? Just like that, day, boy, monkey. Okay, you can see here is the Y letter in the end of the word, and before the Y you have to see vowels letter. Okay, if we get vowels letter after the Y, before the Y, then we cannot change Y as a I. We only add S, and it will be plural form. Okay, it will be plural form in a simple way. Clear? So this is the method to change the singular form to plural form. Now next is, if the noun word in a noun ending I, E, double O, E, O, and in the some words ending in A proceeds by a consonants by adding S. Okay, for example, video, time, cuckoo. Okay, this word has been ending with the word E, O, I, E, double O. Okay, so these words only add S. In these words we have to use only S. Then it will be videos, times, cuckoos. Okay, nothing is more, we can change it. Clear? And some of the noun word we have to get F R F E. Okay, F R F E. Then what will we do there? We can change the F E according to their sense. Just example of the word white, calm, cough, knife. Okay, you can see here is the some of the word that ending with F, E or F. And in this situation, when we change this singular form into the plural form, in the noun we have to get F or E F by changing F or F E into a V and add E F. Okay, it means we drop the F E or F in the end of the word, and we can change or use the word V E S. For example, you have to change F R F E and F into the V, like a white, and add V E S, white. Okay, cough, cough, knife, knife. Clear? If you have to get F, E or F in the end of the some noun words, that the F, E and F will be changed into the V and add ES. By adding the ES, and we can change the singular form into the plural. Clear? But many of the words that has used the F. Okay, so some of the conditions that not follow of that rules. For example, Gulf. Gulf is a word. Roof, leaf. Okay, Leaf is a word, and in this word we can no change the F or F double F. Okay, we only add S. Okay, like a girl, roof, leaves. Okay, only we add S and then it form into the plural. Okay, so I hope you all understand. Now next is some of the noun words. Some of the nouns do not follow any of the above rules, just like that you did in the previous. So these rules not followed by the sum of the noun, and we can change it another way, just like that. Child, mouse, ox, and we have to see here child will be children, mouse will be mice, ox will be oxen. There is no rule that we have to read before, and it is the different of R to R. Okay, it is the different changing of the noun. So you have to learn it. Child will be children, mouse will be mice, ox will be oxen, and some of the many words that have the different use of the number. It means you can change the singular number to plural number in a different way. Okay, and some of the nouns have the same singular and plural form. Okay, we have to know changing of these type of the noun words, just like that. Deer, sheep, decent, aircraft, moods. Some of these words that is the most we cannot change in these words. This type of the word used as a both singular form and into the plural form. Okay, we have to use such type of the word into the singular and plural form. Clear? So you know very well about how can we change singular form to plural form. Okay, but many of the compound noun generally form their plural by adding s to the main noun. Okay, for example, father-in-law. Okay, father-in-law, it is the combined word father-in-law. It is the combined word, and when we change it into the plural form, then when we select the main word and change the main word into the plural form, like a father-in-law, and then this combined word change into the plural word. Okay, and some of the words are generally used in the singular form. For example, poetry, information, furniture, scenery, mathematics, politics, advice, machinery, arms, inning, etc. are the many words that always used in a singular form. Okay, but now that describe things having two singular parts. Okay, two singular parts are considered to be plural form. For example, jeans has a two parts, and after the jeans, glasses, tongs, socks. You know very well about the socks. Socks has two pairs, and trousers, scissors has two parts of the scissors, and binoculars. And we always use this type of the noun in a plural form. Clear? And some of the nouns denoting a specific quantity or amount are considered to be singular. Okay, for example, dozen, 100. It is the specific quantity, and we can always use as a singular form. Clear? And some word in the English language have been borrowed from Latin and noun of the Latin origin that end in us form their plural by adding es. Okay, just like that, circus, it is the circus word and we add es and it changes into the plural form circuses. Okay, campus, campuses, virtue, virtues. Okay, we can change it into the plural form by adding es. So I hope you all understand about the topic. Okay, now next we meet in the next video. Thank you for the watching video.